Welcome to IMQ IVFC Math Quiz. There will be 25 items to test your skills on the subject matter. Don't forget to answer on the comment section below. In your answer sheet, take note of the video ID. Here are the questions. Number 1. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 2. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 3. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 4. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 5. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 6. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 7. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 8. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 9. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 10. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 11. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 12. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 13. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 14. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 15. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 16. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 17. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 18. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 19. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 20. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 21. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 22. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 23. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 24. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Number 25. Which expression is appropriate for this figure? Congratulations! This ends our lesson for today. Please don't forget to share this video to other children, for this is my advocacy and it is free.